As you come into reception here of the old villa that is now the Marjon Workshop, we've got some fantastic facilities to show you. Follow me and we'll come in and see the television studio, which is right here. And this is the television studio here at the workshop for Marjon University. You might be wondering what this is. This is a green screen, and we can project all sorts of images behind the presenter onto the green screen. And here in front of us we have the actual cameras. These are fully equipped broadcast cameras. They are the latest state-of-the-art technology, and they were only installed very recently. If we turn around here, you can have a look at where the studio set is. And this is what the presenter will look at. They've got the cameras here, guest here, another guest here. Up above us, we've got the lights, which give us an absolutely professional television studio environment in which to work. Every television studio needs a gallery, which is where the production work is all done. And here at Plymouth Marjon University, we've got, again, a state-of-the-art production gallery. Let's go and have a look. And this is the gallery. As you can see, there are different positions for everybody who has a role in the programme. There's sound on the far side. The director sits there, the vision mixer sits here, and on the back desks is where the producer and the assistant producer will all sit. They'll all be working as a team to put out the television programmes that we create here on the journalism course at Plymouth Marjon University. This room is known as the editing room. As you can see, we've got the latest equipment here for you to work on. Everybody editing will work together collaboratively to produce the best television output that we can make. So that's the TV side of the operation here at the workshop. But what about radio, I hear you say? Podcasts, audio of all forms. Well, we've got some fantastic equipment and facilities to show you. Let's take a look. This setup of wires and faders might look complicated to you, but we'll explain it all. This is where we do a lot of our podcast work here at the workshop. And this whole room is where we do our editing, not only of the podcasts, but also for features for the radio station. Now, the main radio studio is just behind me. Let's go and have a look at that. And this is the radio studio. This room is actually a purpose-built BBC radio studio. It was formerly the home of BBC Radio Devon. And at the workshop, we have kitted it out with ultra-modern equipment. You've got everything you need here to present a radio show. Let's ask somebody who's a little more mature there for their views on this studio. John, what do you think of this studio, and how much would you have liked it when you were a student many centuries ago? Well, John, I'd have absolutely loved these sort of facilities when I was a student. As you say, it was a long time ago. But I actually started my broadcasting career on a university radio station. We had nothing like the equipment that is here. I would have crawled over broken glass to have had equipment like this. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. So if you're thinking of studying journalism, whatever form of journalism that you're interested in, come and study it with us here at Plymouth Marjon University. You've seen the facilities that we've got at the workshop, and they are second to none. And we'd like to think that our lecturing team are second to none as well. We all work regularly in the media, so we'll be able to give you all the benefit of our experience. We do hope that we will be able to see you at the workshop at Plymouth Marjon University, because quite simply, it's a great place to study journalism.